Okay, so this morning I am going to show you how to make melon and mango tango. It has cantaloupe melon, mango, and orange juice. So it's a good way to get started in the morning. It takes a half cantaloupe. What I've done is taken the other half and cut it up, but I did want to show you the half cantaloupe. What I do is cut this in half, so I take 2/4 and actually scoop the seeds out with my hands. I use my hands because it's the sweetest right around the ring of the seeds, so I don't want to cut that away because I want that natural sweetness. And then I cut those up, and I also took a mango and skinned it. So here's just some mango skin, and pitted it. Someone had asked me, how do you eat a mango, and they had never cut one up, and I just wanted to show you. This is the pit. It's quite large. It kind of reminds you of a peach. However, I think peaches come away from their pits a little easier than mangoes do, so it sometimes takes a little work. If you make sure that they're really ripe, and when you pinch them they give a little, that's when you know you have a good mango that's ready to go. Alright, so here I have my mango at the bottom and cantaloupe at the top. I have fresh squeezed orange juice. And I think in one of the other videos I talked about a hand juicer. Well, this is it. If you guys may remember from when you were kids, because not very many people still use these. But that's where my orange juice is. Alright, so we'll get started. I'll go ahead and add the cantaloupe and mango to the blender. And now the orange juice. And get started. Check the consistency, and I want it a little smoother, so I just took my variable rate up a little higher. Oh, it smells really good. Alright, so here you are. So that's my mango tango smoothie. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Take care and have a great morning.